Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Leo DOS virus. This virus is a New Year's virus and activates on December 31st of any year. And pardon the noises in the background, that's actually my cat Leo, and I figured it'd be appropriate to have him running around and acting like a nuisance. Yes, that's the camera. No, don't rub on it. Excuse me, Leo. Okay. So I've got some files here in the root of the C drive. Now normally these are found in the DOS directory. These are all the same files. This graphics.com, 19,742 bytes. Sorry, he's going nuts. It's the zoomy hour. But as I was saying, these are all the same files here. If I look at sys, we can see it's 9,432 bytes, just as usual. They all run the same. Graphics prints out an extra line since it's not in the DOS directory, but it's all functionally identical. Now, when we run Leo, it will actually seek out files in the same directory and then subdirectories. No, I don't mean Leo go running, I mean running the virus. So, I'm going to run it. Let's see. I don't know if it'll infect right away, and it looks like it does because graphics.com has risen to 23,691 bytes in size. So it's now infected. How about sys? So sys is not. So let's run Leo a couple more times. So now we're not getting any disk activity. So it seems like it has infected all the files. So sys as well has grown to 13,381 bytes and is infected. And when we run it on December 31st, we should see the payload. Now, funny story before I get to that, I've been meaning to run this virus on New Year's for the past 3 or 4 years and could never get it to work. Now, normally when I run these viruses, I keep them all in the DOS directory, but as you might remember, I mentioned that it won't activate or infect anything in the DOS directory, so for some reason I could sometimes get it to work, but most of the time Leo would never work, especially when I would record the video. Kind of like how I wish Leo the cat was not going nuts right this very moment on the video. But that's neither here nor there. As it turns out, I had to have Leo outside of the DOS directory, and then it would activate. So we're going to go ahead and switch the date now. So we are now on New Year's Eve, and we will run graphics. And nothing happened. Nope. Sys? Nope. I've got DOS key in here. Nope. Well, we haven't gotten the seek test yet, so let's restart and hear it. Alright, we're booted up now. Let's run graphics. No? We're still not doing this, huh? What if I just run Leo? Still nothing, huh? Nothing. Well, I've prepared for this. I've got another variant of Leo on this disk. Which should hopefully make this work. I realized when I tested this, I had 2 different variants, and I guess this is the one that actually produced the effects. So let's run it. You gotta be kidding me. Now it's not working in the root. It just literally worked. I did all the testing, and now it's gonna make a liar out of me. We're on, yeah, December 31st. Yeah, that's right. Leo. What if I rename it? Nope. Still nothing. Come on, Leo. Do something. Well. Hey. Knock it off. Well, Leo the cat is doing something, but Leo the virus is not. So I'm going to restart again. Can't believe this, it just worked. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, wait, Leo 2. Still nothing. Okay, well, I've got another file on this disk. Oh, I should probably specify. So there's a third variant that is substantially smaller than the others. It's 1965 bytes as opposed to nearly 4 kilobytes. This one has very specific activation or some form of criteria that I found from digging through it. The minutes have to be greater than 13 and less than 20, and the seconds have to be greater than 56. So I'm going to rename it. And we're going to see, will this get Leo to finally work? We're going to make it 1, 14, 56, and here we go. Nothing. Oh, whoa. What? Now it works? Okay. I don't get it. I'm not going to pretend that I get it, but now that I run a third variant of Leo, we get the message. So we see the Leo. Nice bubble letters. Hello, or hello, I've got a virus for you. Today is the 31 of December because I want to congratulate with a Happy New Year. Today is a holiday and I want a pair of COM files, smiley face. You have a holiday and you'll have many presents tomorrow. I would like to join at this tradition. Could you take me a present as a file, please? I'll be glad. Thank you for all. Goodbye, Santa Leo. And then you press a key and you're back to normal. You can just continue computing as you would. Fun thing about this is if we run Leo, the first variant I think it is, or maybe it's the other one. Maybe it's this one. One of them will let me type up at the top of the screen, which leads to some wacky DOS prompt colors. Let's see. What do I got here? Leo 1. So that one's still just hanging out doing its own thing. Wow, that was stuck for quite a bit there. Okay, so we're still getting the infected printout. Oh, I think graphics has gotten a little bit bigger than it was before. We're over 71,000 bytes. I'm guessing it's being infected multiple times from whichever variant of that. DOS key, yeah, we're infected. If I run you. Now why won't you let me type at the top of the screen? Still nothing. Oh wait, that's right, I have to clear the screen and then I run it. Yeah, there we go, you see it, we got that blinking cursor at the top left. Well now when I hit enter, we get a yellow DOS prompt, type of directory listing. And we have this nice little rainbow effect as it takes on the colors that Leo peppers into its message. All that work for this tiny little bit of extra content. But that's about it. Leo is not a destructive virus. He is a fairly destructive cat, but this is not a destructive virus. I just figured this would be a nice little way to celebrate the new year coming in, 2024. And just see what we got. So now we have a nice wide directory listing with some extra colors. I like the volume and drive C being bright green. It's a nice touch. I kind of wish you could alter the colors on MS-DOS like this at will, but for now we'll settle for a virus doing it. So like I said, that's about it for the Leo DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Happy New Year. Hope your 2023 was okay, and I hope your 2024 goes fantastic. So, thank you very much for watching. Take care.